Hi and welcome everyone. In today's video, we're going to learn about how to introduce yourself confidently in English. A good introduction creates a strong first impression, whether at a school, work, interviews, or when meeting new people. So let's begin. Basic introduction. Hello, my name is Rajesh Kumar. I am from Mumbai. I work as a trainer and content creator. I enjoy learning new languages and I help people improve their English, their communication skills, and their confidence. Nice to meet you. Now, how you introduce your name? You'd say, my name is, I am Rajesh Kumar, or people usually call me Rajesh Kumar. Talking about where you are from. I'm from India. I live in Mumbai. I grew up in Delhi. Talking about your work. I work as a teacher or a trainer. I'm a software engineer. I run a YouTube channel. Talking about your hobbies. I love reading books. I enjoy traveling. I like learning new languages. My hobby is photography, right? Here, what you can use as confident alternatives is, instead of saying, hi, I am Raj, try saying, hello, I'm Raj and I'm passionate about learning English, or I'm passionate about learning new languages. And then instead of saying, I work in IT, say, I work in IT industry and enjoy solving problems every day. So what's happening here is adding a little enthusiasm makes your introduction memorable, right? Now, let's have a quick mini conversation, right? Hi, I am Neha. Nice to meet you. Person B, nice to meet you too. I'm Aman. Person A, Neha says, where are you from? Aman says, I'm from Delhi. What about you? Neha, I'm from Jaipur, but I live in Mumbai now. Aman would say, that's wonderful. That's how a small introduction conversation would go on. So here is a practice session, right? Repeat these sentences aloud with me. Hello, my name is, say your name. Next, I am from, give me a place name. I work as, add what you do. I enjoy, talk about your hobbies. Nice to meet you. Okay, here are confidence tips. You always smile when you speak, right? Maintain eye contact. Speak slowly and clearly, do not rush. If you go fast, it would show your nervousness, right? Use simple sentences. You do not need to sound like Shashi Tharoor, right? And practice your introduction every day. Make it part of your DNA. Remember, confidence is more important than perfect grammar, right? Now, here is your homework. Introduce yourself in the comment section using 5 sentences. Those 5 sentences are, my name is dash, I am from dash, I work or I study at dash, my hobby is dash, nice to meet you all, right? If you think introduction session helped you or was useful, like, comment, share the video. And also, you're watching Language Nerds India. I will see you in the next module and we will talk about 10 useful sentences to use daily. See you until then.